something always changing validation, but the strongest. Thanks to my channel support Dhyan Yogi Motivation. Have you ever noticed that a loud set person room in usually fixed, always talking, always proving something, always chasing validation, but the strongest person, the one who move, the strongest person who move silent, it's the one we truly wins. Let me tell something, life has a way of giving you exactly what you need, exactly the right time, but only if you learn to be still, only if you learn to be quiet, only if you learn to trust the process. Because when you stop forcing, when you stop being, when you stop explaining yourself to people who never care to understand and you, there's when life start working in your favor. The right thing will come, the right people will stay, the wrong one will remove themselves. All you have was stay silent and let it happen. Silence is power, not just the absence of words, but the present of awareness. The moment you stop talking, the moment you resist the urge to explain yourself, defend yourself, or prove you worth those who don't deserve you energy. That's when you win back control, you being the listen, not just the world, but the what isn't being said, to the energy in the room, the hidden motives behind people's action, to the truth that's the boundaries, bandage all the noise. Most people can't handle silence. They talk because they fear it. They talk because they feel invisible. They talk because they think being louder makes them stronger. But to stand isn't about how much you stay, it's about where you do in the moment to resistance, about patience. It's about having the discipline to observe and understand before reacting. Think about the people you admire most, the leaders, the visionaries, the one who command respect effortlessly, that don't waste words, that don't fill space with meaning chatter, that don't try to impress you with empty promise or exchanger story. When they speak, people listen and weigh because their word carry weight. And when give their words weight, experience, wisdom, intention, that's the power of silence. When you stop talking, you start listening, not just to other but you yourself. You being to recognize the thought that truly matters. You start noticing the warning you want to ignore. You see more clearly who truly the role you're. Because when speaking, you can't observe, you can't analyze, you can't read between the lines, and you miss the moment when people reveal exactly you they are. People will always show you they are if you let them, but most never notice because they are too busy trying to prove something. When you stay silent, you create space for people to rival their true nature. You don't have to ask if they are loyal, just watch. You don't have a beg for respect, just be still and see how they treat you when you're belong performing for their approval. Winning in life isn't about how much you say, it's about how much you understand. When you listen more than you speak, you learn, you pick up on. Stay silent, everything will come naturally. You see people true intention before they have the chance to decide. You send situation shifting before they catch you off guard. Vans bring clarity, and clarity is what separated the strong from the weak. Think of the chess game. For second part, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching. Love you all friend.
सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उसके साथ स्कैम करो या फिर महफिल जमाओ, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए। अब मैं भी जा रहा हूँ, मुझे
द्वारिकाधीश इलेक्ट्रिक एंड पावर टूल्स सभी प्रकार के पंखे, फर्राटा, टेबल फैन, सीलिंग फैन, ओरिएंट उषा, लाइटिंग, मेगाफोन, माइक्रोफोन, ये सभी प्रकार के मथानी, कुएं की मोटर, सिगड़ी, बल्ब, ट्यूबलाइट, इंडक्शन, टेम्पस, होम थिएटर, एयर फ्रिज, एसी, गैस, पावर टूल्स, ड्रिल, कटर मशीनें होलसेल रेट पर। द्वारिकाधीश इलेक्ट्रिक एंड पावर टूल्स, आपकी अपनी शॉप, चंगेड़ी रोड, वार्ड 14, फतेह नगर।
तू ही तो मेरा संदली। हाँ जल्दी करो।